It's December 13th, 2024. I fled Colorado. Too cold, too windy. I'm now a snowbird. I came down to Arizona. Been working the whole week in the sunshine. No jacket. Well, not all days, but I'm able to take my jacket off, as you can see. Working here in the sunshine, okay? So what I'm going to show you today is how I'm doing these stairs, and I'm just hanging everything down, and I'll come in later and I will pour the concrete around the stairs. So I got the stairs right to the height of the form, and then I will drill holes in the little kicker boards at the bottom of the stair stringers and put bolts through there, and I'll pour the wet concrete in tomorrow. And then right there I have the post base ready. I'll just set it down in that hole, and then that way I know exactly where my stairs are going to be. I don't have to worry about being off with my post base, wet set. And the same thing I did here, like I don't want to try to pour my columns and then put the wet sets in and then find out, oh no, I'm off, now my posts aren't going to be plumb. All right, so I just hang it down, I support it, I start off with the platform, level the platform, plumb down from the posts, plumb both ways. And you know, I made a little template right here to put that on top of my columns. See, I just ran it through the table saw. A little template right there. They'll go on there, and then that helps me get it so it's centered. Okay, so the only thing is, when I was doing this yesterday, I didn't have my laser level, and so I was not able to put the laser level along that edge and throw the laser that way across the columns, which would have got it dead on without me having to make this little template. But I like doing it this way, and then later we'll come back and put the decking on and put the treads and the risers on, and then I do the posts like this. It's not much on a 4x4. I mean, I do have the bracket on, and then how I have these stairs hanging down. See how these are taking the weight of those stairs right now. They're going down and they're being held on that form, and they're going into the dirt. So when I finish this off tomorrow, then I'll just take these off right here. I'll take those supports off right there, and then the stairs will be sitting on the concrete, because you can see right now they're up above. They're basically at the top of the forms. Okay, so I'm not gonna sit here and make a what do you call it when you do the fast video, you film the whole thing and then you make a fast video. I'm not going to do that because this is a non-monetized YouTube channel. But if you have even a little bit of experience in carpentry and you look at something like this, and maybe you start making your stairs like this from now on. So anyway, I hope it's helpful. If you have a better way to do it, good for you. You better make a video and show me that you're better. If not, I don't want to hear your comments. And everybody else, thank you for watching.